Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana. I want to take a minute and do a quick video walk around on a 2020 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. It is lifted. We are using the Fox stock suspension, which comes at 1 inch, but we're using a 2 inch Revtec spacer puck, designed specifically for the Fox suspension that comes from TRD on the TRD Pro 4Runner. So it's a total of a 3 inch lift, not a 1 inch lift. Wheels are replaced with Icon rebounds in bronze, 17 inch. Sitting on a set of Goodyear Duratrack LT 285 7017 tires. We got the Slee Sliders that also have the rock lights underneath of them, which may be hard to see during the daytime. Wired to the dome light circuit when you unlock the car or open the door. The rock lights turn on as puddle lights. When you shut the door or lock the car, they turn off. There's an override switch on the inside. I'll show you in a second. In the front, we got a worn front bumper, which has a bull bar, which does not interfere with the Toyota millimeter wave radar sensor, oddly enough. We got a worn 10,000 pound synthetic rope winch underneath here, as well as a factor 55 fair lead and ultra hook. We've done ceramic window tint on the car, which is XPEL, 20% in the front, 85% in the rear, 85% on the front windshield. We also did paint protection film, full frontal, so the entire front hood, front fender, front bumper, and the rocker panels as well on the doors are covered in 8mm XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We got a dual battery setup. I'll show you a couple extra buttons on the inside. Twin air compressor. We have the rock light override for the auxiliary, and then we also have the battery linkage. So if you want to jump your primary battery with your auxiliary battery, you can do so if you need to. Let's see how that looks underneath the hood. So we got a winch hookup right here. Underneath of this piece of plastic, we have the RedArc SBI, which is the device that will let you link the two batteries together if you need to jump the primary battery. ARB twin air compressor, and then the pump up kit with the nozzle here. The actual hoses are on the inside. Sitting on a Slee twin air compressor tray. And then we have the dual battery is a RedArc BCDC1240D DC-DC product that's linking the batteries together. We are using an Odyssey Extreme Group 35 AGM battery. And then you can see the fuse box or the breakers right here for the SBI 200 amp for jumping, the DC-DC product itself, and then of course the twin air compressor circuits. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Again, Eric at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana.